RSS appeals for peace in Manipur. Mizoram sees spike in drug trafficking. Desam urges to trim courses fees. And curfew relaxed for Imphalis in the west till 5 p.m. today. Hello and welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Now the news in detail. The Rashtriya Shram Sevak Sangha (RSS) on Sunday condemned the ongoing violence in Manipur and appealed to the government, including local administration, police, security forces and central agencies to take every possible step to restore peace immediately. In a statement, RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosable also urged them to ensure a similar supply of relief materials to those displaced due to violence, along with necessary actions to maintain peace and harmony in the northeastern states. Stressing that there is no place for hatred and violence in a democratic setup, the RSS said both sides should overcome the trust deficit which caused the present crisis and initiate dialogue to restore peace. The RSS appealed to the civil society, political groups and general public of Manipur to take every possible initiative to put an end to present chaotic and violent situation and also ensure safety of human lives and permanent peace, he said. Amid allegations that the ongoing violence in Manipur has been triggered by the dynamics of narco-politics, the neighboring state of Mizoram seems to have become another casualty of drug trafficking. An analysis of media reports reveals that 16,127.60 kilograms of drugs, including heroin and other contraband worth over rupees 78 crore, have been seized in Mizoram since May 3rd. When ethnic clashes erupted in Manipur, suggested that trouble in Manipur has forced the drug smuggling network to focus more on bordering Mizoram. The volume of heroin recovered in Mizoram was 20 kilograms in 2020 and 35 kilograms in 2021 between May 3rd and June 16 in 47 days. Nearly 10 kilograms has been seized in the state. It may be mentioned that in December 2022, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga urged the UN to take proactive action steps to curb the illegal drugs trafficking and smuggling of various contraband goods from Myanmar. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam on Sunday urged authorities concerned to reduce the course fees for NEET UG coaching centers, including private, government-run and private higher education institute and colleges, as well as to allow students to pay their fees in installments. Desam, in a release, asserted that majority of the people of the state are facing tight financial constraints owing to the prevailing conflict. It also highlighted that problems facing the public due to non-access to online banking or bank transactions as internet services have been banned in the state following the conflict. The appeal came following complaints from students that private coaching centers for NEET UG and educational institute are allegedly putting pressure on the students regarding fee payments amid the tough times due to the crisis, it stated. It urged those concerned to be sensible and considerate of the situation and provide chances to the affected and displaced students of joining the coaching classes. Universal Mothers Organization UMO has stated that if the present government fails to open National Highway number 2 at Kangpopi, they will open it. Speaking to media at the Manipur Press Club on Sunday, UMO President Murangthem Sarojini Laima said that if the government desire to restore peace in the state, then the Kuki militants under Shu should be kept at an appropriate place. While calling on the government of Manipur to take its role, Sarojini said that the people of the state will take demand with the government as there is no use for killing each other. She said the solution to the crisis is not sending the Kuki to a separate place. While doing so, it is equivalent to giving their demand by us. She also demands replacement of Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh by some unbiased officer. The residents of Nongsum village on Sunday demanded a permanent state security outpost at the village to put an end to the constant attacks and threats which have been carried out by Kuki militants for years before the recent outbreak of the communal clash. The Imphal Press along with the local media team conducted a field survey at Nongsum village, Imphal, to find out the grievances faced by the villagers following the murder of 9 village defense volunteers and the missing of 3 persons in an attack on June 14. Nongsum village has a total population of around 400 people with 80 households, and the village is located about 6 to 7 kilometers away from Sagolmang police station. Imphal district, during an interactions, one as Tiken, a villager of Nongsum, expressed that even before the prevailing crisis erupted, the villagers had been suffering from various forms of intimidations and attacks from the Kuki militants for many years. However, their voices and their grievances remain unheard to masses out the state, he said. The village is located near the Sinai camp at Samusong, Kangpopi district. Sinai camp is a designated camp of a Kuki militant group. According to reports, the Sinai camp was the 3rd Battalion of Kuki National Organization KNO and was inaugurated at Tuinomjang, Kangpopi district in the month of September 2010. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. However, Kaching and Thawbal remain as usual today. In Kangpopi, curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. Markets and the shops are open during the curfew relaxation. People were seen rushing to the markets and the shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Lana Thauram Malem Taibang Panasida, Ekoi Kwagi Irakta Tinjaramba, Laishram Bankim Chandra, Atopamaming, Abung, Mathaina, Magi Nusi Jaraba, Imumanong Sagaina Day Amadi, Maruk Mapang Kwai Pumna Mapu Thadok Lamnaga, Haukiba Chaychet Tara Hundoi Thataru, Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi. Kumja ingagi kunga mangani panba leba popanumita, Kamen Loki, Aigezang Kunda Tokiba Laibaktiba Taudokta, Taibang Chengjen Loireduna, Tengban Mapugi Lekolda, Leirang Linam Una, Tinkre. Lakliba Chaychet Taramapan Thataru, Kumja Lising Aniga Kungu Hundoi. Kumja, Ingengi, Nong Mapanba Ningtau Kabanamita, Mangani Lehuntam Jaraga. Lakliba Chaychet Kungamanga Thataru, Kumja Lising Aniga Kungu Hundoi. Kumja, Ingengi Taret Nipanba Nomaizing Numita, Lana Tharom Tokle. Numit asida leiki drabagi thawaina tengban mapugi leikolda ingna chikna leijarunaba angamba kharadang langjaduna taibang mapugi ngaklo khada sidaba mapugi mingkhai rolga loinina katjagadori thoromasida ahan laman ima iben maruk mapang amadi iche ichal CSO sing club sing amadi lamdam segi ima lup sing pumnamakna matam chana lengbirakuna sidaba mapugi mingkhai rol tambiranaba Elite TV gi khothangda pauzenjari Lana Thoramasi Imungi Pibam Namaram Oiduna Imumanong Neta Club Amadi Kulon Irona Balaikai Sing CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Imalup Singalunina Pangtuk Jaragani Pauzen Jariba Imung Manung Amadi Neta Thoram Mafam Kangla Sangom Sang Awang Lekai Community Hall Imphal East Phone number 7005 259973 Amadi 9366 576106.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ki lakatori session 2023-24 ki admission hauzare. Institute asi Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5-year service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani. Class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani. Male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari. Course sing atudi international air hostess training, airport operations staff training, ground handling loina na soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati airport visits. Institute asiki staff singa loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing dasu khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 700597047 natraga 8132092225.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam mama khangjana bagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi ba haibasi arriba dinate adubu Manipurgidi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambel amada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBS da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur ki kumsi sahigi class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung class 11 science arts ani asigi mingjanba hojare school ase yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba national thaki award kaya puthokliba makhal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingjanjagani class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathak phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani class 11 gi admission fee lupa lising manga loinana prospectus lupa chani punna lupa lising manga chani khaktani akopa morol gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna first division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science wangkhayamadi kongbagi class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lemna fanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taruk oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facilities su leigani akupa marol gidamag Royal Academy of Science ki wangkhay office da lakpiu.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Sunday assured his Manipur counterpart and Biren Singh of providing security to the people belonging to the Meitei community living in Mizoram. Thousands of people from the Meitei community reside in Mizoram for many years and works in the various professions. The Chief Ministers of Mizoram and Manipur over the phone on Sunday discussed the security of Meitei community people staying in Mizoram. Later, Zoramthanga in a statement said, Chief Minister of Manipur spoke to me over the phone regarding the ongoing violence, asking for my aid in resolving the issue with a hope that henceforth there would be a peaceful coexistence. Furthermore, the request is to take means and measures for the Mizoram Meitei to settle peacefully. I assured the Chief Minister of Manipur, stating that the Mizoram government bemoans the ongoing violence and it has taken certain steps and measures to abate it. I further stated that we are supportive of the steps taken by the Manipur and the central governments. I also apprised the Chief Minister of Manipur that we, the people of Mizoram, are empathic towards the Meitei and that the state government and the NGOs have taken measures for peace and security. The world's richest man, Elon Musk, tweeted that the world is lucky to have modern medicine. I'll be dead from malaria if not for chloroquine and doxycycline, he said. Elon's mother, Mai, replied to his tweet saying, "You were unconscious, yellow and shivering for days. Tubes were going in and out of you. It was a terrifying time." Nearly 100 houses were damaged in Sikkim after multiple landslides were reported in the region due to heavy rainfall, officials said on Sunday. The downpour caused flash floods along the upper reaches of College Kola Valley, causing maximum impact at Simpok, where a major bridge was swept away, they added. Over 2,000 tourists are stranded in North Sikkim amid landslides. The government is aiming for technology and a digital economy to account for around 20% of India's total GDP by 2025-26, MOS for IT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar said. The Indian innovation economy has grown from the 4 to 5% in 2014 to 10% today, he stated, adding, any part of technology that you look at today, there is significant presence of Indian startups. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav criticized the centre for dropping former PM Jawaharlal Nehru's name from the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library and MML, saying that BJP wants to change the whole history and it wants to implement RSS agenda. He added, they has no interest in working for the country, they want to break the country, they want to rule like monarchs. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Lanna Thoram Malem Taibang Palasida, Aikoi Kwai Pumnamakka, Luinaramba, Yumnam Surjit Kumar Meitei, Laishram Suresh Meitei, Moirangthem Heman Meiteina, Mapugi Sintha Loidaduna, Aikoi Pumnamakpu Thadok Lamlaga, Haukiba Chejat, Tara Humdoi, Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi, Kumja, Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba, Leibak Popanumita, Makogi, Tawaina, Mapugi Laikolda, Leirangi Lenam Uinatin Kre. Chatliba Chaychat, Taranipan, Taruk, English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi, Kumja, Ingagi Kuntrani Panba, Nomaizing Numita, Mangani Leihun Tamjaraga, Chatliba Chaychat, Kungamari, Taruk, English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi, Kumja, Ingengi Tarukni Panba Thangza Numit Asida, Lana Thoram Numit Thokle. Thoromasida Ahalaman, Ima Ibel, Maruk Mapang, Sagainate, Ichilinau, Homin Kaminarakpa, Equinity Sakhanja Hodraba Kwai Tarana, Matam Chana Lingbiratuna, Mapugi Minkai, Tabiranaba, Amadi, Haikat Lekat Tamba, Yaubiranaba, ELITETV Kotanga Pausen Jeri. Ayukpung Nipan, Lagi Thoram Hoba, Ayukpung Mapan, Isai Hoba, Pausen Jeri Bising, Yumnam Ongbi, Tanobi Leima. Surjit Kumar Giloinabi, Laishram Ongbi, Ibem Leima, Suresh Giloinabi, Moirangthem Ongbi, Ngaubi Leima, Heman Giloinabi, Oksu Ningthem Chakul Community Hall.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hauzare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki khudong saba su phangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba khudong saba mayam ama legani. Akopa moral gidama 9856575163 college address pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak khudong saba si lobiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Noida Authority has floated a scheme to lease out build-up space for startups at the Old Court Complex in Sector 81 of Noida Phase 2. The build-up space is 1,224.7 square meter and the best monthly rental for the entire floor will be 335 per square meter. Noida Authority official Vandana Tripathi said registrations for the scheme started on June 16. Banks could initiate forensic audit of Go Airlines if the transactions audit conducted as part of the insolvency resolution process shows adverse findings, report said. The forensic audit will let the banks detect if there was any fraud. Go First total debt outstanding to leaders including Bank of Baroda and IDBI Bank stood at 6,521 crore as on April 28. For ELITETV News Channel, connect to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at headlines once again. RSS appeals for peace in Manipur. Mizoram sees spike in drug trafficking. Desam urges to trim courses fees. And the curfew relaxed for Imphalis in the west till 5 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.